Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an avatar in Pippit AI using a photo. So if you want to have your own avatar by using your photo or maybe your pet photo, this is how you are going to do it in Pippit AI. First, you're just going to go to the avatar and voices options and the Pippit homepage. Click on this and there will be this option photo to avatar. So this is the sample.
Welcome to Pippit. Let's create something amazing.
Welcome to Pippit. Let's create something amazing together.
Okay, so you can just click on this plus button to create a new avatar, and in here you need to drop your photo or upload a front facing photo like this. Just click on a plus button. Here I'm going to find the photo first. Let's see, this one's right here. You can click on open, tap on done. Okay, so now the photo has been verified. You can just click on this checkbox, tap on next, and your avatar will be created. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.